everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Well, I have been making Easter packaging all week. And this isn't exactly Easter packaging, but it is part of some Easter projects that I'm putting together. And I thought I would show you guys what I'm actually doing. I have these cute little picture frames that I found in the clearance bin at Target. And they were $1.29 for each one, and I think they had 10 of them, and I bought all that they had because I knew that I could use them in my projects. So I decided that I would take these and combine them with some of the cut-aparts and just create a nice little piece of home decor for your desk or your office or wherever. So here's what I did. I have a whole bunch of cut-aparts that I've taken from many books, and I keep them stacked in little photo boxes, those plastic boxes. So I went through and I found a few that I liked, and I am mounting them inside of these frames and then decorating the frame just ever so slightly so that it can sit on the desk and just be a really beautiful piece to have out. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me as I did one of them. So let's get started on it. I'm going to set this over to the side. And here is one of the photo frames. And it's a mini frame, and it holds a 2x3 photo, which makes it perfect for the cut-aparts that we get in our paper packs. So I couldn't really decide for this one if I wanted to do Believe in the Magic of Your Dreams or Beautiful. So I think I'm going to go with this one, and I can use this one on my next project. So it's very easy to take this apart, just like any picture frame. I'm just going to remove the back. I'm going to take out this mat because I won't need it. And then I'm going to remove the paper. And all I'm going to do now is place my saying inside. And I'm just going to place this behind it. And then I'll put my backer piece back in, turn it over, see how it looks. And I'm very pleased with that. So then I'll go ahead and just lock this into place. There. And now what I want to do is I am just going to do some very simple decorations with some of the paper flowers that I've made. And so I'm going to take just a few paper flowers, put them together. And not only will this look good, but it'll also smell good because these flowers have that wonderful fragrance on them. So I am going to use a little bit of glue. Put that down. And I'm going to tuck that right in the corner. And you can dress these up as much as you want. I'm keeping mine very simple. But you can certainly just have fun with these and put all types of little embellishments and whatnot on them. And then I am going to add a little bead to the inside. And drop just a little bit of glue. Place my flat back. And then I also think that I just want to come up a little bit with a little more greenery right there. So I'm not going to do a whole lot to this one. I'm going to keep it pretty simple. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how we can take those cut-aparts and find many uses for them. They don't necessarily have to be used just for making a paper project. They're very multifunctional. You can use them in a variety of things. So here is my very quickly finished little piece of home decor for the desk. And here is the one that I made earlier. And you can see just how quick I was able to put these together. So use those cut-aparts. Use them in all types of projects and have a great time with them. So you guys, I hope that you've liked this project. And if you have, please hit the like button. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.